Thank you so much. It's so nice to be back in Amsterdam on this exciting evening. It's a warm night, last of September on the south side. Well, hang me up to dry, 'cause it's coming down hard. If I told you I don't even miss you, I don't even think of you more than a dozen times a night, would you dream me a river, throw me a line, write me a letter? I'm running out of time, I should have done better, but I guess I'm doing fine. When it's raining like this, it reminds me the last time I heard your voice out on the west coast. Now it's a warm day, last of September on the south side. Well, hang me up to dry, 'cause it's coming down hard. Sing me a river, throw me a line, write me a letter. We're running out of time, we should have done better, but I guess we're doing fine. Now it's a cold night, end of October on the south side. Well, baby, hang me up to dry, 'cause I'm still coming down hard. Thank you so much for having us back. Like I said, it's so nice to be back in Amsterdam. This next song is a single that I just put out called something that suddenly is just it's like slipped my mind. You know, I just put the single out right before I went to Europe, and there it goes. But my guitar player, who happens to be my husband, has this beautiful guitar part to it. Oh, it's We Always Hold the Sun. That's what it is. So his guitar part is so pretty, and when I play music with him, and when I'm without him, I hear it in my head, but alas, nobody else is in my head besides me, except for tonight. You get to come along with me. So if you want to sing this part, it goes like this. May I borrow your guitar? Oh,
Now you're rocking and rolling.
hers is.
Oh, yeah, what string?
You know, it's the F string. It's funny because today when I was tuning my guitar, I was like, you know, you have been giving me troubles all tour. And this was his feedback that he gave me. Alright, I'll just...
Were you on your song?
No, it's good. Look at this. Fly by the seat of our pants. That's what we've been doing all tour. Yep, I see that. Alright.
Remember my tuning.
Right. Different than mine.
It goes like this.
You're using this now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm using David's now.
Do you want my scratch?
No, I could stay.
All right.
Yeah.
It's a real songwriter, man.
That's right.
Right. So it's just this one here.
Yeah, but I could you go through here. So this cable needs to be connected.
Ah.
So I think you could just use your same setup.
Oh, really? Okay, then I'll just use his part?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, look at that. I won't tune your guitar down, I promise, David. Maybe this is how the election will go. He left with the winter, cold branches against the blue. Remind me of you. The moon is rising, your sky out west is colder than mine. It's dark all the time, and I wish I could tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun. And I wish I could tell you things will get brighter. I wish I could bring you back the sun. You're left with the winter and my song on a wing cannot bring me to you. The moon is rising and my sky here in Tennessee is breaking with yours. And I wish I could tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun. And I wish I could tell you things will get brighter. I wish I could give you back the sun. Tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun. And I wish I could tell you things will get brighter. I wish I could bring you back the sun. And it's cold, I know, but remember. tour has kind of been like that. It's been really fun because I honestly don't think I could be on the road doing catching trains and playing folk music with anybody else besides Mr. David Waters. So I'm
Nice.
going to unplug this and put that in there. Because sometimes you just have to go with the flow, and then there's people who like have a meltdown, and there's people who are like, hey, can I get you a glass of white wine and change your guitar string? That's the guy you want around, by the way. So this is our third, it's our fourth show, but our third show we did a live, what's going to be soon, a live YouTube performance in just outside of Brussels. We played in just outside of Brussels before that. Good job, David. I can't go on my tuner. Went woohoo!
Oh,
There we go. Up, et voila.
sorry, we have lots of covers.
Yes, that's good.
We got it.
Yeah. So our first show we played at this great punk rock bar in Paris, which we played at last year. It's fantastic. And it was nice to revisit that. And then but there were still some things that were by the seat of the pants. It's been by the seat of the pants this whole tour. That's the next title of our record. Speaking of our record, we have one called Crazy Hearts, because you have to have a crazy heart but a big heart to do what we do. And this is one of the songs on there. It's called Out of Starlight. Are you happy inside? I go walking alone in the dead of night. Every television is a new shade of blue. That's what we do. We hide in plain view. If you could find me half a dozen moons, would it light the path on my way back to you? Every phone call is a new kind of ring in my head. That's what you said. Listen to the heartache. She comes in with the wind. Well, you know her voice when she comes calling. Starlight, am I happy inside? You go walking along at the first of light. Every window is a new point of view. That's what we do. We hide in our blue. If I could give you half a dozen seeds, would you try to make your way back to me? When I disappear, there's a new kind of lonely in our bed. That's what you said. Listen to the heartache. She comes in with the wind. You won't know her voice when she comes calling.
Out of starlight, are we happy inside?